Good morning, everybody. Good grief, week 7. Here we are. Crazy Mountain 100 training video, week 7. I'm outside. This is great. I just got done with a stair workout. We'll get to that next week. Last week, let's talk about last week. 33 and a half miles in. Had my longest long run yet of 14 miles. We did 6 miles the next day. Easy going, did a bunch of hiking in that 6 miles. What else went on last week? What did I do for my big workout? Man, oh, we did an F45 workout at its Romans. It was a lot of weights. Yeah, lots of weights. Walked into the gym and the whole gym was just a floor of weights, like every version of weight you could think of, like big dead bag looking weights, presses, kettles, small bells. Yeah, wild. That was an interesting workout. I fared a little bit better than I thought I would. Probably could have added another 5 or 10 pounds to everything, maybe. I don't know. Still trying not to get over the top yet because it's only 7 weeks in and we've got 13 weeks left to go. So we'll work on that. What else was last week? Oh, it was the 7-minute by 3-minute incline on a treadmill. 12% at like 2.8 miles an hour for 7 minutes, and then you have a 3-minute cool down. And then the next one I did at 3.8 miles an hour, so I had to actually run that whole 7 minutes, and then did the last one just the same. That's a good workout. This is a really good workout. I can really start feeling the difference in when I change to this new 6-week block. Like, this is the second week in the 6-week block, and you can definitely tell that I've been working and working up towards getting better at doing these things. There's the resident rooster. He comes over. He's a little early today. Usually doesn't show up till 9:30. Anyway, hangs out underneath some bushes here. I'm at my 20-hour-a-week job here at the Art Center in Carrboro. So if you ever want to come catch me, I'm probably here for random parts of the week. Good grief. Yeah, so I'm adding in at the end of this, we're giving you the directions to make electrolyte mix. And these are based off of old Switchel drink mixes that were, forever ago. These, people have been doing extraneous work outside since we've been humans doing extraneous work outside, and we've needed to replenish. So you can make these really ridiculously simple. There are some that are 3 ingredients online. Mine has a few more than 3 ingredients, but it's just different versions. I make it different every week. Adjust the content to how you like it. Some people may not like it as sweet as I like it. Mine's not overly sweet. It's got just a hint of sweetness. This agave one, where I didn't have any maltodextrin, got a little sweeter than normal. It changes every week because I modify it just a little bit every week. So go ahead, look online for different recipes. There are tons out there. And most of them are in the ballpark of the same, some sort of carbohydrate from some type of sugar, refined or unrefined. And it all does different things in your gut and different balances for release and how it absorbs and yada, 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 all science. I'll get those in, and I'm putting in the recipe for the oat bars, which I've really had good luck with making. I made another section of those last week, so we'll get a section of oat bars in and let you enjoy that. Yeah, I mean, I'm in week 12. We're in week 12 now. Like, last week was week 13 to go. It's pretty crazy. Coming up quick. Really getting ready to enjoy the difference in training and the different lengths I get to go and start running. And we're going to start going up to the mountains some more. So it'll be a different change of pace and scenery from where I'm at. And that keeps you interested, keeps you meaning to get out there, keeps you happy about getting out and running instead of running your same old, area that you run. I can go out to Carolina North anytime and run 4.5 hours, and it's the same stuff, but even just a short drive away, you can get somewhere and run something else. All right, well, I'm gonna work on getting these things in, so I'll keep it short here. Thank you everybody at Crazy Mountain who's doing everything for us. Their Instagram feed's going really good. I'm enjoying the stuff that they've been posting. Pretty exciting stuff. So everybody be happy, eat well. Peace.